In this video, I will demonstrate the step-by-step process of how to claim a gift. After the recipient completes the questionnaire, the gift redemption email will arrive at their email address within 2 days. They will click on the link and this page will appear. On the redemption card, they will see a nice message that you composed for them here. And 5 gift options that were generated and carefully crafted by our AI after analyzing the recipient's data that was provided. They can view the description of each gift by clicking on it. And if they like one of them, they can proceed to fill out their delivery information and claim the gift. If for any reason your recipient does not like any of the proposed options, they can donate their budget by clicking the Donate Your Gift Budget button. It will take them to a type form, where they can choose which charity to donate to. They will also have a chance to explore a marketplace of gifts within their budget limit by pressing the Explore More Options button. They can choose to search for their gift by selecting a category or typing in keywords right here. After they choose their gift, they will need to fill out the delivery info as well and claim their gift. I hope you found this video helpful. For more informative guides like this, be sure to check out the additional videos listed below.